Language selection. Quantity set, display quantity of each bottle. Bottle quantity, display quantity of each bottle. Speed, display the quantity of each minute. Grain count 1, display the left quantity is counted. Grain count 2, display the right quantity is counted. Big, display the rejection maximum value. Small, display the rejection minimum value. Bottle weighting 1, left lane shortage of bottle indication. Bottle weighting 2, right lane shortage of bottle indication. Working, operation status indication. Fault, display the malfunction code. Conveyor switch. Start button, turn the conveyor on. Stop button, turn the conveyor off. Grain reset, clean the counted number, start from 0. Bottle reset, clean the counted bottle number, start from 0. Vibration plus, all the vibration trays will be added more vibration according to the proportion. Vibration minus, all the vibration trays will be reduced less vibration according to the proportion. Parameter, enter the configuration page. Quantity bottle, set the quantity of each bottle. Transparency value, 50 is the default value. Situation 1, dust too much, set the value to 80 to 100. Situation 2, material above 5 mm, set the value to 50. Situation 3, material under 4 mm, set the value 20 to 40. Situation 4, Highland capsule, set the value from 20 to 30. Situation 5, small pillar, set the value from 20 to 30. Transparency coefficient, the default value is 1. If the material is not Highland, set the value to 1. If the material is Highland gel caps, set the value to 5. Scrap shield, the granulated sugar and the dust, set the value to 1. Vibrator set value to 1 will stop vibration when finish the filling of one bottle. Set value to 4 will not stop when the counting quantity doesn't reach to certain quantity, so it will increase the speed. Dust alert, the default value 150, no need to change. Work mode, normal counting mode. Simulation, when you need to check the trouble. Vibration set the vibration. Vibration set, touch to enter the vibration setting page. Modify the vibration configuration and the vibration tray. This setting is the overall vibration increasing or reducing, no need to modify. If need to vibrate, please set the value to 120, 50. If no need, set the value to 0. The gate action time, set the value to 0, no need to change. Set the bottle shift time and bottle delay time according to the bottle size. Keep the default value, no need to change. Rejection time setting according to the conveyor speed. Pre-counting percentage, when the pre-counting not reach to certain quantity, it will continue to vibrate. Touch back. Touch route to enter the optical sensor configuration page. The main route 1 is the left optical sensor group, the secondary route is the right optical sensor group. The sequence order is from the right of the vibrator 1 to E-gate. Example 1. Set to 1 is the first optical sensor for the right optical sensor group. Example 2. Set 1-3 is the third optical sensor of the left optical sensor group. After setting the route, you can check the optical sensor working status. Touch back, return to last page. This button will recover the default value. This button will save the configuration setting. If not save it, it will lose after power off.